Hello, you're watching BBC World News. I'm Adnan Nawaz. This is our top story this hour. Iran continuing its journey out of the cold. He met Vatican on Tuesday. Now President Rouhani is going to be arriving in France for a three-day visit. He's looking to rebuild his country's relations with the West. Welcome to the programme. These are the main stories this hour. The United States has issued new guidelines for monitoring those at risk from the Zika virus, which is thought to cause birth defects. The European Union calls for an immediate ceasefire in southeast Turkey as violence escalates between the military and Kurdish rebels. Joanna Konta is into the semi-finals of the Australian Open. She's the first British woman to reach the last four for a Grand Slam in more than 30 years.
Hello, I'm Sally Bundock with the business stories. Sweet and sour. Another record-breaking quarter for Apple, but sales growth of the iPhone slows for the very first time. And Facebook is facing protests in India over its proposals to offer free internet with limitations.
He represents the aspirations of 80 million people. One man.